Welcome back to the kitchen. I'm making another quick and simple meal. It's Friday evening and I don't want nothing, fussy. So here I have some shrimp. It's been washed and cleaned already. What I'm making is a jerk shrimp bowl with pineapple. So here I have some pineapple dice, fresh pineapple dice. So I'm going to start off with the pineapple. And here I have, this is raw cane sugar. I'm going to add that to the pineapple. That's 1/3 of a cup, I believe. I'm going to add a sprinkle of cinnamon. And I usually like to add fresh grated ginger, but I didn't take that out of the freezer, so I'm adding a pinch of organic ground ginger to this. And I'm going to mix the pineapple up. Alright guys, let's season up my shrimp. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. I need some over here too for the pineapple. Now to the shrimp, I'm just going to add a little bit of hot and spicy jerk marinade. I don't want too much. Okay, now some black pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Old Bay seasoning. Some Creole seasoning. And this is roasted garlic and herb. I'm going to use my hand and I'm going to mix this up really good. My oven has been preheated to 350. I'm going to add the pineapples in. I'm going to bake this uncovered for about 15 to 20 minutes. I will see you back then. Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm taking out my shrimp and my pineapple out the oven. And let me show you over here, I got some corn, but it's not just regular corn. I believe it's Fiesta corn. Then I have some diced tomatoes and lettuce. And this mason jar is my pineapple rum glaze. If you want to know, if you want me to make a video of me making this, then just let me know, comment in the comment box below that you want a video of me making the pineapple rum glaze. Here I have, I figured it was jerk, so I made, instead of black beans, I'm using red kidney beans. I didn't have any in the can, I had the dry ones. So I just cooked some red kidney beans to go with this. So guys, that's another simple meal coming from me, from my kitchen to you. Also on the healthy side. I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of this family. If you haven't already subscribed, please don't forget to do so. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, and support this channel all the way. I do very much appreciate it. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours, God bless you. Have a wonderful and phenomenal life because it's what you were born to do. Bye-bye.